Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is stem. So let's talk about it. The stems bear nodes, internodes and buds, and the holes of the leaves, branches, flower and fruits. The point on the stem from where leaves and branches arises are called nodes. The portion of the stem between the successive nodes is called internodes. Some small outgrowth can be seen on the stems. These are called buds. The buds that grow at the tips of the stem on its branch are called apical buds and terminal buds. These buds have young stem crowded with the young leaves or flowers. The growth of terminal buds lead to an increase the length of the stem, and buds are also in the axil of the leaves. An axil is the angle between a leaf or stem. Such buds are called axillary buds. Axillary buds give rise to new branch. Function of stem. Stem provides support to the branches, leaves, flower, fruits or whole of the plants. Number 2. Stems conduct water and minerals upward, that is from the root to the leaves, and the transport food from leaves to all parts of the plant. Number 3. In some plants, thick green stem reaches in chlorophyll carry out the function of manufacture food by photosynthesis. Modification of stem. Stems of some plants are modified the performance special functions such as making food, storing food and so on. For storage of food underground, modification of the stem. In some plants, stems do not grow above the soil, but they are grow underground. Some stems are called underground stems. These stems store large quantity of food in them. Modified underground stems have different structures and therefore given different names. Rhizomes are swollen stems that grow horizontally. They are thick and branched. They have nodes, internodes, prominent buds and the scaly leaves. New leaves and flower develop from a bud. Some examples are ginger, turmeric and ferns. Tuber. Tuber is the enlarged, roughly spherical shaped stem storing food. Nodes and internodes are not distinct. Many buds, commonly called eyes, are present on these stems. On showing these buds or eyes can be developed into new plants. Potato is the most common example of tuber. Bulb. In a bulb, stem is highly condensed into a flat disc at the bottom. It has terminal buds which is covered by many scurry leaves. The inner scurry leaves are usually fleshy and store food and water. The outer scurry leaves are dry. Some example of onion, tulip, lily and garlic. So kids, let's talk about facts. Facts about stem. People in STEM field can expected to earn 26% of more money on average and be less likely to experience job loss. Number 2. 92 of boys and 97 girls lost interest in STEM if not engaged by the 5th grade. So kids, tell me, what is the best function of STEM? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the STEM. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.